Hello students and welcome once again for our session on menu knowledge. This is a part 5 session. Let's have a revision once again about the French classical menu sequence. So first course is hors d'oeuvre, followed by potage, oeuf, parenon, poisson, entrée, sorbet, relève, rôti, légumes, salade, buffet froid, fromage, entremets, savory, dessert, and beverages. As discussed earlier, the first courses like hors d'oeuvre, potage, or farino are considered as starters. The courses like poisson, entree, relève, rôti, legumes, salad, and buffet froid can be considered as the main course, and the afters are fromage, entremet, savory, dessert, and beverages. So in this session, we will see the courses which are buffet froid, fromage, entremet, savory, dessert, and beverages. So what is a buffet froid? Buffet froid literally means cold buffet, where all kind of cold preparation of eggs, fish, meat, game, and poultry and cold cuts of meat are neatly displayed. These dishes are coated or presented with mayonnaise, chaud-froid sauces, and aspic jelly. Guests can select any cold preparation from the buffet and consume. Some examples which can be served in buffet froid are various types: galantine, cold ham, cold chicken, cold turkey, cold duck, ham, salmon mayonnaise, lobster mayonnaise, pâtés, terrine, force meat. The next course is a entremet course. A entremet is a sweet course. This sweet course includes all kinds of hot and cold sweets such as soufflés, bavarois, chartreuse, pies, flans, ice creams, pastries, crepes, and so on. The cover for an entremet or a sweet course is a sweet plate or a half plate, dessert spoon, and dessert fork. For ice creams, an ice cream coupe cup with an underliner and an ice cream spoon or a teaspoon can be used. The following can be considered as some of the examples for an entremet course, such as a flan, charlotte, crepe, sweet omelettes, soufflés, puddings, bavarois, mousse, fruit trifle, ice creams, pastries. The next course in the French classical sequence is a savory course. Savories may be served as an alternative to the sweet or as a separate course served after entremet and before dessert. While compiling the table d'hôte menu, either savory or cheese is offered. There is a wide range of savories available, and some of them examples are like anchovies on toast, sardine on toast, roux on toast, mushroom on toast, Welsh rarebit, canapes, vol au vent, angels on horseback or devils on horseback. Some popular savories like Angels on Horseback, which is basically a canapé with poached oysters, wrapped in streaky bacon and grilled on skewers, is a very popular savory preparation. Devils on Horseback is on the other side canapé with stone cooked prune. The inside is stuffed with chutney sprinkled with cayenne pepper, wrapped in streaky bacon and grilled on the skewer. The next course, which is there in the French classical sequence, is a fromage course, which is a cheese course. Cheese is prepared from cow, goat, milk and is used in culinary preparations. It is served at the table either as an alternative to the sweet course, after the sweet course, or before the dessert course. Cheese is grouped according to its texture, which vary depending on the period of maturation as soft, semi-hard, hard and blue vein. Different varieties of cheese can be offered in this course with accompaniments. The accompaniments are usually crudettes of radish, celery, and it can also be offered with cheese biscuits, with olives, with some grapes, with bread and butter. Some examples of soft cheese is brie, camembert, semi-hard cheese like Port Salut, hard cheese like cheddar, Edam, Emmental, Gruyere, and blue vein cheese like Danish Blue, Stilton, Roquefort, Gorgonzola can be served in this course with proper accompaniments. Even a cheese fondue can be served in this course. The next course in the French classical sequence is a dessert course. All types of fresh fruits and nuts are offered in this course. It is served as an alternative to the sweet course. In a lengthier menu, sweet and dessert course may appear provided cheese or savory is offered in between these two courses to break the continuity in the sweet taste. Fresh fruits, nuts, in some cases candied fruits are arranged in a basket for the guests to help themselves in this particular course. The cover will depend on the type of fruits and nuts which are offered to the guest. The next course or the last course is a beverage course in the French classical sequence. Beverages are served throughout the day with all three meals. Here we can serve various types of teas and coffees. Tisans can also be served in this particular course. There is a quiz planned and the link for the quiz is given in the description box below. Kindly attempt the quiz.